When utilizing GitHub Copilot to detect gaps in your test suite, what is the primary requirement for success? The options are Option A, maintaining a high percentage of existing test coverage in the project. Option B, implementing industry-standard coding patterns throughout the codebase. Option C, providing the assistant with appropriate and relevant context from your IDE. Option D, closing every editor tab that does not currently contain test code.
To understand this, consider how AI-powered coding assistants function. These tools do not just rely on general training data. They require specific information about your current development environment and the files you are actively working on to provide useful suggestions. When we talk about finding gaps in test suites, we are looking for the AI's ability to reason specifically about what you have already written and what remains to be covered. In my view, the correct answer is option C, providing the assistant with appropriate and relevant context from your IDE. GitHub Copilot works by analyzing the code you are currently interacting with in your editor. For it to effectively identify missing tests, it needs visibility into your existing code, current test structures, and any relevant documentation. Without this specific context, the AI lacks the necessary data points to make informed recommendations about your test coverage gaps.
Let us look at why the other options are not the primary requirement. Options A and B focus on general code quality and best practices. While having high coverage or standard patterns is beneficial for a project, they do not directly control the AI's ability to analyze your specific code gaps. Option D, closing tabs, is purely a mechanical action that does not inform the model about your codebase. Remember, context is always the most important factor when working with AI coding tools.